Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting additions to Harley-Davidson's 2025 lineup, the all-new Harley-Davidson 1000s. Positioned as a mid-weight performance cruiser, the 1000s blends Harley's classic design language with sporty dynamics, aimed at riders who want style, speed, and everyday practicality in one sharp package. Sleek, sporty design. The 2025 1000s features a bold and compact silhouette that stands out from traditional Harleys. It combines aggressive styling cues, like a sculpted fuel tank, blacked-out engine components, and a minimal rear section, with premium touches like LED lighting, alloy wheels, and a short, muscular exhaust. With low handlebars and a slightly forward-leaning stance, it captures a raw street fighter spirit without abandoning Harley's signature cruiser character. Punchy powertrain. At the core of the 1000s is a new 975 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, derived from the Revolution Max platform. It produces around 115 horsepower and 95 newton-meters of torque, offering a strong mid-range punch and high-revving character. The engine delivers smooth throttle response and quick acceleration, making it equally capable in city traffic or open-road blasts. Matched with a 6-speed transmission and a responsive slipper clutch, the 1000s ensures sharp gear changes and precise control for both daily rides and spirited runs. Dynamic handling. One of the biggest highlights of the 1000s is its handling. Thanks to a lightweight chassis, inverted front forks, and an adjustable rear monoshock, the bike delivers confident cornering and a planted feel. The low center of gravity and mid-mounted foot controls create a balanced riding position that's aggressive but still comfortable for longer stints. Braking is handled by dual front discs with radial calipers and rear ABS, offering excellent stopping power to match its performance-oriented nature. Tech-forward features. The 2025 Harley-Davidson 1000s comes with a full-color TFT display, which provides ride data, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and music control. Riders can choose between multiple ride modes, including road, sport, and rain, each tweaking throttle response and traction settings for varying conditions. Cruise control, USB-C charging, and keyless ignition are also included, adding modern convenience to this mid-size machine. Built for a new generation. With the 1000s, Harley clearly aims to attract younger riders and those coming from naked bikes or sportier machines. It's designed to compete with rivals like the Yamaha MT-09, Ducati Monster, and Indian FTR, offering Harley's iconic branding with performance and tech that match today's expectations. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson 1000s is a bold move in a new direction. It's a mid-weight bike that delivers serious performance, distinctive looks, and the kind of versatility modern riders demand. Whether you're new to the brand or looking for a more aggressive Harley with everyday usability, the 1000s is built to thrill. Thanks for watching Auto Academy. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes hitting the streets.